Often, we get overwhelmed by the sheer number of cables around us. This is chaotic, frustrating, and dangerous. Introducing a compact Pro Office cable management system that will last you a lifetime. It hides all your cords and provides you with a tidy, neat, and organized appearance. It is super easy to install. You do not need any screws. The super strong tape is more than sufficient. To start your installation, clean all surfaces that come in contact with the tape with light soap before affixing and sticking the raceway. This will ensure a strong bond. If you are installing the raceway to the wall, use a spirit leveler to draw a horizontal line. Remove the protective paper and place the double-sided tape on the back of the J-channel. Remove the protective paper from the double-sided tape. Warning: the double-sided tape is very strong to ensure your cables are safe and secure. Please consider the perfect layout or positioning of your J-channels before taping them together. Removing J-channels from the painted walls could potentially damage the paint. Please see product removal tips at the end of this video. Now carefully stick the raceway to the desk or the wall surface and run the cables inside. For a cleaner and tidier working environment, we recommend using the provided Velcro straps around the loose wires. Each channel measures 2.2 by 1 by 16 inches and fits up to 10 different cables. You can install 2 J-channels alongside each other to fit more cables. And you're done. Fast, easy, and effortless. If you have to remove the J-channel, please use a hairdryer to warm up and soften the glue. The heat will help the glue come off easier and prevent any damage to the surface. Heat the raceway up evenly and gently pull it from one side. J-channel raceways are available in 2 different sets: 4 channels, 6 channels. Choose the best one to suit your needs.